Hello friends, once again today we are going to learn about a new program, and here in this program once again uh, we are going to draw a circle and fill the circle with some color using some functions. So let's understand that from top of the Discord. So first line, as usual, it says about the comment, and I have written here colored circle. Next is the stdio.h or header file. Next is also header file conny.h. Next is the graphics.h once again to control all the graphics related works. We have used it. Next is the main function. Next is CLIS here to clear the screen. Next we have uh, we are taking some fixed value for x coordinate 150, y coordinate 150, and radius we are taking here is 80. So once again same process, we are taking two variables here, g driver for the graphics detection, G mode for the text mode or graphics mode, and here we are detecting that with the help of this detect word. Next we are initializing the graphic with the help of this G driver, G mode, and the path we are providing here C, TC, and BGI. Next we are drawing circle here for given value x, given value y, and the given radius are ready. So after that what we are going to do here, we are going to use one function. Its name is setfillstyle. What it does here, it fills the inner area with given color, and the color is brown. We can see here is solid fill and here is brown. We can put name of color over here, and after that we are using another function, that is floodfill. What this floodfill does, actually it fills the color of boundary with particular color, and that color code we have to give here, like we are giving here 15. This 15 it is stands for white, so you can use any other color. And after that once again gets and the close graph. So let's run it. We can see here color boundary line, or we can say that it is being white, and the area inside the color it is being brown. So this is how it changes. If we want to put any other value, then we can put a value here, like instead of 15 we can give there 1 2 1 1. So let's rerun it. So we can see here it became all over the screen. So we can give in this way, right? So let's give 14. So most we use here 15. So here is x and here is y. Yeah, actually this x, it takes the value same whatever we have given here for given circle, and y it also takes same value as given there 150, and 15 it stands for the boundary color. So close graph, it closes the open graphs or the graphics.s, and just this is how we get the output. We just saw that in this way we can fill the circle and its boundary. Thank you friend.